Kate, can you spell Kate? How many letters? 5. Okay, all you have to do, okay, each of the team, in 1 minute, you need to collect an items starting with those letters to complete the name of Kate. It can be Tagalog or English item. After 1 minute, come back here, present those items, and I will check it if it's complete. Okay, so now, whoever complete those items, of course, wait, come here, not yet. Excited, huh? Okay, so here we go. It can be Tagalog or English items. Okay, so now, in 1 minute, collect all things you see and all items. Tagalog or English item, but be sure, okay, lahat po, kailangan. You need to complete 5 items, 5 items, 5 items, 5 items, 5 items. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, go! It can be Tagalog or English item, but be sure to complete 5 items starting with the name of K-A-I-T-H. Okay, si Daddy, iniwan si Baby, baka mahuli. Okay, go down ate. Okay, let's wait for your daddy, ha? Okay, 40 seconds. Okay, 30 seconds. That's very simple. We have lots of items starting with those letters. K-A-I-T-H.
Oh, chinelas!
Okay. 25 seconds.
Towel. Chinelas. H.
Faster.
Happy birthday.
20 seconds. Okay, if you're done, just stay here. Okay, so make sure you complete all those items. Okay, 15, 14, 13. Okay, just stay here. Okay, so now 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, done. Okay, so nahabol na lang po yung iba. Okay, let's start with this team. Okay, so now, Daddy, what is your item for letter K?
Tissue.
Kiss, can you show me? Okay, kiss. Okay, 1 point. How about letter A? Okay, letter A. Alcohol, letter I. iPhone. Okay, letter T. What's that? Parental guidance. Wag na. Okay, but it's letter T in Tagalog. Saan nyo napulot yan? Okay, how about letter A? Headset. Okay. Mami, can we give some prize? Mami, doon tayo bigyan ng prize. Okay, so wait. Okay, Mami, we have a winner. Lahat po sila mananalo. Okay, so na. Yeah, okay, Daddy, can you take your prize? Doon na lang po sa adults. Okay, so, okay, here we go. Very good. Okay, you can sit down now. Okay, how about, ayan, unahin ko po kayo, ha? Okay, letter K. Okay, key. Okay, letter A. Abanigo, letter I. ID, letter D. Towel, and letter H. Handkerchief. Okay, very good. Okay, so now you may take your seat now. Okay, let's start with this team. Okay, so now, mukhang kulang, ha? Okay, wait. We will check. Letter K. Hanapan ko lang paraan yan. Kape! Very good. Letter A. ATM. Okay, letter I. Ito pwede ko ipakita. Itlog. Ha? Saan nyo galing to? Okay, letter T. Table. Letter H. Hala! Kulang! Okay, anyway. Okay, we give consolation prize. Okay, so now, how about this team? Okay, letter K. Kiss, letter A. ATM, puro pare-parehas. Okay, letter I. ID, letter T. Tab, ayun, kakaiba. Letter H. Hat. Okay, thank you so much. Take your prize. Okay, and last team is letter K. Kiss. Okay, please our audience. Letter A. AA. Alcohol, letter I. ID, letter T. Tissue, letter H. Handkerchief. Okay, congratulations. You will receive a prize. Okay, so get ready. So now, listen very carefully. Okay, this time, okay, mommy, in a few moments, we will proceed for